Morning, students. I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays. Due to this pandemic situation, we are not going to have classroom teaching. Instead, we will be teaching you remotely where you can sit at home and you can start your academics immediately. In computer science, the first topic is history of computers. The main objective of this chapter is to know about the evolutions of computer, to understand about electronic counting devices, get familiar with generations of computers. In grade 3, you have learned what is a computer, what are the uses of computer, and more about input and output devices. In grade 4, you are going to learn history of computer. That is how computer born. That is evolution of computer. Today, we cannot imagine our world without computers. Let's have a look at some early calculating device to explore the various generations of computer. There are 4 types of calculating devices. The first one is early calculating device. Next, mechanical calculating device. Next, electromechanical counting device. The last, electronic counting device. Early calculating device. This is the first counting device started to be used by primitive people. People in the early time used their fingers and made marks on the cave walls to help themselves remember and count. They used sticks, stones, bones, and pebbles to keep track of things. These were called counters. Even today, we learn calculations using our fingers. Next, mechanical calculating device. Do you know the first calculating device? Abacus is the first calculating device. It was invented in the 16th century. It consists of a number of horizontal rods with beads in a frame. Addition and subtraction would be performed using an abacus by sliding these beads across the rods. It is still used to teach tiny tots. Next we have Napier's bone. John Napier invented a tool called Napier's bones. This device is a set of rectangular rods marked with the number 0 to 9. It was used for simplifying multiplication, division, and taking square roots and cube roots. Napier bones were multiplication tables written on stripes of bones, ivory, silver, or wooden color. Next, electromechanical counting device. Pascaline. In 1642, the young French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal developed another mechanical device called Pascaline, which would add and subtract numbers. Pascaline used a system of gears and wheels. Next we have Jaguar loom. In the early 19th century, a Frenchman, Joseph Jaguar, invented a powered loom that used punched cards to automatically control the manufacturing of patterned cloths. It is said to be the read-only memory device, that is first ROM memory. Next we have difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, is recognized today as the father of computers. Because of his impressive designs, for the difference engine and analytical engine. The difference engine is an automatical mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial functions. Next, we have analytical engine. The analytical engine was powered by a huge steam engine. The first modern computer was based on his design. Ada Augusta, who developed this analytical engine. This is known as the first computer program. She is known as the first computer programmer, wrote programs for the analytical engine. Her notes on the analytical engine was used in the future development of computers. Next, we are going to have electronic counting device. Tabulating machine. In 1890, Hermann Hollerith invented a tabulating machine and used punch cards containing holes to represent information to be tabulated. This machine was used to gather information for the 1890 century more efficiently, census more efficiently. The earlier commercial data processing machines were punched cards tabulating system which later became IBM. Students, today we have come to end of our session. Next, we are going to learn about generations of computer.